Hey guys, welcome back to my crypto diary. In this video, I'll be talking about the one-click masternode setup of Pirl. So let's get to it. So if we've done everything right from all of the prerequisites on setting up a Pirl masternode, we are on the final steps to do to get the whole thing up and running. So first thing we're going to want to do is go to our Poseidon dashboard. We're going to click on masternodes, my masternodes, and on the right side, we're going to click on one-click masternode setup right there. All right. So we're going to select content masternode, which is what I'm actually using right now. Username, server username is actually going to be root. That is from the subscription, the server that I made. If we click on our server here, that's from Vulture. Username is root right there. Okay. Now, server password, you can just hit copy on this and paste it right here. IP address, we got IP address from Vulture as well. And is premium, I'm not going to check this because what I'm actually setting up is a content master node. So I'll leave that as unchecked right now. And I'm just going to hit create. Awesome. So if you noticed, that will actually start running on the background. And if you don't want to do anything else, you can actually just wait about 30 minutes to about an hour for the whole process to kick in and complete. And what you're going to want to see is on the second column right here, which is managed by Poseidon, you're going to want to see that as true. So once that's done, you should be good to go. But if you did want to see what's going on the server, what you can actually do is just use putty, copy the IP address, connect to your server with putty. Where was that? So I have mine saved right here, but what you're gonna want to do is just paste the IP address of that server right there and just connect to it. Okay, you're gonna be logging in as the root, hit enter, and it's gonna look like that you're not typing anything on the password, but what you can do is just hit copy right here and then control V and hit enter. See, it's not actually letting me get in. Copy that and paste it there. There you go. So once you hit copy, you're not actually going to hit Control V. You're going to just right click and paste it. And that should let you in. And the code to actually see what's going on the server is journal ctl-f. And here you can see what's actually happening in the server in the background. So we see that it's actually doing some stuff. This whole part right here is optional. You don't need to see what's going on. As mentioned earlier, you just need to basically wait about 30 minutes to about an hour, and you can go back to your dashboard, your Poseidon dashboard, and hit details, and you're gonna start seeing transactions. If you scroll down, you're gonna see the IP address, the version, the block number, and everything. And that should be it. Just FYI, at the moment, today is the 3rd of October. Content masternodes are still on beta, so you won't get paid for it just yet. But if you were following this with the setting up the premium masternode, then you should be good to go. So that's the end of this video. I hope you guys liked the whole mini series as far as how to set up the whole masternode thing, because I've been getting feedback that my first video that I made was too complicated and there was too many windows. So hope you guys liked this video. If you did like it, don't forget to share the video. If you didn't like it, hit the thumbs down and at least let me know what's going on. All right, guys, have a good day.